I'm trying to live in the moment. We gotta live in the
Good morning guys! So ngayon pupunta kami sa Coin Laundry. So yan guys, ipapa-laundry namin yung mga kumot pang winter kasi masyadong malaki yan, kaya pag hindi Coin Laundry hindi kaya sa normal na washing machine. So, pupunta kami doon. Then, habang hinihintay namin yon is pupunta naman kami sa McDonald's kasi hindi pa kami nagbe-breakfast. Then,1万円札しかない。買うしかないか。できないかな。Nalagay na namin yung labahin guys. So ngayon papunta na kami sa McDonald's. Dito na kami guys sa McDonald's. May bago sila. Okay. Tignan. Sanjeruku.
So ito yung order ko guys, Coke na may ginger, and pancake, nuggets, and yung sauce guys, bago yung sauce na yun, steak, may lasa. Then, syrup and butter and ketchup. Ito naman is mega muffin, hash brownie, hati kami dito. Tapos ito naman is yung gulay na juice. Kain tayo!
She galvanized me, steady like steel, back on my feet, living for the thrill again, loving for another day. She satisfied me, gave me what I want, just what we need, never too far away.
Tapos na kami kumain guys. And babalik na kami dun sa may Coin Laundry. Tapos, i-dryer din namin yun. So, another 30 minutes. Biglang lamig guys. Oh my gosh. So, tara na. So, dito na kami guys. Si Tem na lang yung pumunta para ilagay yung mga nilaban sa dryer. And kasi umuulan din. Kaya din niya na ako pinababa. So, yun. And after nito guys, pagkatapos ng dryer, dito na lang kami maghihintay sa car. After nun, uwi na rin kami. Hi guys! Good morning! Welcome back to my channel. So, ngayon, pupunta kami sa clinic para sa tenga ko kasi sumasakit na naman siya. So, yan guys, dito na kami sa clinic. And update na lang namin kayo mamaya. So, yan guys. Tapos na kami sa clinic and binigyan din kami ng gamot. So, yan. Yung ito. Tapos, yung pang spray sa ilong. Yan. And yung sa tenga ko guys, nilagyan nila ng papel kasi 'di ba may butas yung sa tenga ko sa loob, yung eardrums. So, yun. Inanuhan nila. Pinatungan ng parang papel. Pero, yun naman, parang mawawala din daw yun. So, pwede naman daw akong maligo at mabasa yung tenga ko. So, yeah. And ngayon, baka mag-drive-thru na lang kami sa McDonald's. And sa gabi, we're planning to eat sa ramen. Umorder lang siya ng 2 burger. Yung, nanita lang dalawa. Cheeseburger and spicy chicken. And then yung sa akin guys is yung double cheeseburger nugget and this one. May bago silang sauce. 2 sauce yun, diba? Yung isa, yung steak flavor. Natikman ko na. And yung isang ito. Yung clam chowder sauce. Hindi ko pa na-try. So, ita-taste test natin siya. So, let's eat, guys! Itong sauce, guys, natikman na daw ni Tem. And mas gusto niya raw yung steak flavor na sauce. Masarap siya, guys. Pero parang mas bet ko rin yung steak na flavor.
Hold me close till I get up.
Gusto ko rin sana kumain ng teriyaki chicken. Kaso, mas nangibabaw tong cheeseburger, double cheeseburger. Kain tayo, guys!
Barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we.
Ang tagal ko na hindi kumakain ng guys, ng lunch ng McDonald's. Last week kasi, yung breakfast, kumain kami ng McDonald's for breakfast. And yung sa lunch, tagal ko na hindi kumakain. It's been a while, so sarap siya. Guys, look, napakalaki ng car. Kunin natin nagke. Hammer? Ah, soda. Laki.
She galvanized me, steady like steel, back on my feet, living for the thrill again, loving for another day.
Okay guys, dito na kami sa ramen sa Tenkaipi. Nung bata ako guys, kumakain ako nito kasi meron malapit sa work nila mama. Iba kasi yung ramen dito guys compare sa talagang normal na ramen. Yung soup niya kasi medyo may pagkadabnaw. Yan guys. Tingnan niyo yung soup niya guys. Oh. And ito yung kay Tem. Kain tayo guys.
Ito po
Feel the waves cut through me.
Craving satisfied, guys. Na kami kumain, guys. Dodata?
まあ美味しかった。
1から10。
なんか
So, si Tem, guys, first time niya kumain sa ramen na to, and tinanong ko kung ano yung rate niya 1 to 10. Sabi niya 7 daw. Not bad. So, ngayon, guys, uwi na kami, and it's 5:34 na. Let's go home! Good morning, guys! Welcome back to my channel. So, ngayon, mag-breakfast na tayo. Gagawa tayo ng sandwich for today's breakfast. So, yan, guys. Gagamitin natin is yung salt butter French bread. Tapos, roast beef. Then, yung gulay. Ito, guys, lettuce sana yung gagamitin ko kaso naubusan ng lettuce nung pumunta kami ng grocery. Kaya ito na lang yung alternate ko. And avocado. Tapos, tomato.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me. Hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you.
Kain tayo, guys.
She galvanized me, steady like steel, back on my feet, living for the thrill again, loving for another day. She satisfied me, gave me what I want, just what we need, never too far away, loving for another day. She asked for it.
So, yan, guys, si Tem, nakapasok na siya. And ngayon naman, guys, maglalaban na tayo kasi ang daming tambak na labahin. So, let's go!
I've been in and out my mind since I hit your phone. I've been counting up the times that I did you wrong. I just want you by my side when I get real gone. Feel it's been a little while since we got along. Yeah, we've been playing stupid games, the situation rotates, and they say communication, safe relations, okay. Medicated how I'm patient, wasting time ain't the way. Cause I can see it on your face. I've been tossing, turning, staying up all night long. I've been calling, yearning, wondering what I did wrong. I could tell by your eyes you got something to hide. So open your mind up, let me inside, and let's make it right. Tell me, baby, what's the problem? Cause I keep trying to figure it out. Oh no, oh no. Tell me, baby, what's the problem? I'm only picking up what you're putting down. You'll be tripping, I don't know what about. So what's the problem right now? Okay, now hold up. Let me get something right off my chest. I've been meaning to read into it, time to put it to rest. Is it stress? Is it that I ain't answer your text? Don't you treat it like amnesia, you know I always forget. Stirring the pot real hot, watch how the plot thickens. Around the clock, tick tock, need more than 20 seconds to get your attention before it's on to the next thing. And I'm over here again wondering, can I hold ya, hear your truth, pull you closer, talk it through. Girl, you know that I'm the one that you can come and complain to.
So, yan, guys. Nag-text na sa akin si Tem. Pauwi na daw siya. Kaya, gagawa na tayo ng white sauce.
too. Your silhouette's amazing, but your brain is a maze too. So can you help me find my way while I find something to say?
And kanina nga pala guys, umuwi dito ng lunch si Tem and hindi ko na na-videohan. And binigyan niya ako ng lunch and pinila niya rin ako ng saging. So, yun.
Hi.
Kylie! Bebe. Kylie. どうだった中国だけ
上海行きたいね。
ね。
上海ビザないでしょ。
うん、私はね。
私もない。
あ、そうなんだ。
上海行きたいね。上海安いでしょ。安いとかどうか。
もう食べるでしょ。
Welcome back, everybody, to the B Stream Day 1 of the Elimination Stage. It's Urban World Shanghai Major. This is Scrawny, that is Launders, and we are talking G2 up next, Launders. They lost their opening game versus
Kain tayo,
guys. There's a lot of first two wins on the best of ones. Yeah, your opening 24 hours of the major just completely changed the tone. You know, I brought this up at the last stage, I'll say it again. It's like every single player rolls out of bed on the first day, picturing themselves 2-0. You have to, right? That's the level of confidence you must bring to the table to even get to a major. And then by the end of the night,
for a team that wins, it's for a team that wins best of 5 grand finals.
1 at best, 0-2 at worst. But that at worst scoreline comes from, of course, an upset from Big, who I think had we gone back to the RMR, and if Big were in
わーお、なにこれ。
お土産だからね。
お土産。
お土産だよ。
はい、ありがとう。